Hi guys, so it's morning and I woke up really early and I'm sitting here. I'm kind of a little nervous because today is a big day for me. So it's been almost 1 month and a half since I started working, but then today is the day when I'm doing my first class, and it's an online class, and hence it's a big day for me. And I don't know how it's going to turn out, and so I've been preparing for it over the weekend. So it's a Monday morning today. So my weekend is kind of lost, and I'm trying my best so that my students benefit out of it. So you guys are going to see me throughout the day, and let's see where it goes. So, update on my situation. I finished call at home, and so that is done. And I tried having some breakfast is really early in the morning. It's only going to be 8 now, but then my class is going to be 3 hours long, so I don't want my stomach to growl in between and make it a scene. So I kind of had like half portion of a breakfast, and I think that's going to be it. And I have my water boiling to make some hot tea, and I'll have that with me because there are chances of my throat getting sore in between the class. So, yeah, clearly you understand that I'm trying to do everything possible to get this right. I hope everything is going to be fine. Like, I'm really nervous to be frank, I'm really nervous. Yeah. So that's the update. Okay guys, so this is the kind of setup that I'm ready with, and it's almost 8:30. My class is scheduled from 9 to 12:15. So it's a 3-hour class with 15 minutes break in between. So I will log in kind of like around 8:45 and make sure about there are certain things that has to be done on login. So I will make sure all of that is done and start with the class. I think you guys can get a sneak peek into it, but then I'm not sure. Finished up with my first class. I'm so happy. Like I could complete it well, like on time. I got to have a lot of interaction with them. Like they seemed to be very happy with the class. Like I asked them for feedback and they're like so happy. And so I'm happy. So yeah, my first class was a success. And I have 11 more classes. So let's see how it goes. Like I'm excited, and they said they're excited too, so I'm even more excited. So that's done now. I have to prepare for all of my other classes and get more additional details. So I've got their feedback. They were happy about some things that I'm actually doing, and so I want to continue that with my further lectures. So I have to plan for all of that, and then I have to have food. Like I couldn't have my breakfast properly because I was so nervous, and so I couldn't have anything. But then I stressed myself out, and I kind of got to eat myself something because I didn't want to I didn't want my stomach to growl in between. So I did have food. Now I should properly have my lunch. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later after that. So I'm simply smiling at the camera. So you guys see, I'm like formal until the top and then casual below. Okay, so I badly need to get to my normal self. Like this is me faking to be formal. So I have to be normal and
1 hour later.
continue with my work. Back to normal and trying to get back to work. Yeah, I should keep it. Alright, guys, so after the last clip, I was working and I basically then finished up with a call with my parents, and then now I'm here with my dinner. And so there's nothing much more, so that's it. Now, after this, I will cook my dinner for tomorrow and then basically go to sleep. So, yeah, so there's nothing much more to show you guys. So, anyways, thank you to all of you who stuck until here. It was kind of boring, I know. But then, yeah, it was a great day for me. I'm really happy from my first online Zoom class. So, thank you so much for staying until here, and I'll see you guys in another video.